So if you have any questions, do key them in the chat box so we can answer them in the end of the session. So let's start. Okay. So somehow keeping rules. So I hope you can mute your mic, and recording is in progress. So of this webinar, then if you have any questions, you can type in the Q&A box, or you can raise your hand so that we can answer your questions along the way. Right. So today's my name is Edwin. Just to introduce myself here. So I'm a technical support manager for Fleetguard or Atmos. So this is my contact details. If you have anything, just reach out to me. So let's start. Okay, the Fleetguard value. Its value is critical for to a company, especially it influence customer satisfaction, loyalty, and brand advantages. So when a company delivers a good value, offering high quality products or services at a reasonable price, it builds trust, encourage repeated business. So it also drives the revenue growth and also helps the company to grow even bigger. Right. So Fleetguard is a well-trusted known brand of its high-quality filtration and engine protection products. So it offers a wide range of filters related to components including air, fuel, oil, coolant filters, as well as crankcase ventilation. So Fleetguard products are engineered for durability and performance, number one. Even at the most demanding environments, whereby we can perform at its best in construction, in mining, in agriculture, we perform the best. So with strong innovation and presence, our technology-wise is has been one of the leading market leaders. So Fleetguard has been recognized globally for meeting or exceeding industrial standards, making it is a reliable choice in terms of filtration to protect your engines. Right. So, all right. So Fleetguard delivers uh, the best performance with advanced filtration technologies, and also the filters has been designed to capture the smallest contaminants, which protects the critical components from wear and tear. All right. So you can see here from the lab, we also do some lab testing, etc., in order for the uh, engine to stay protected. Right, so field test is done across the world to make sure that everything is in place. Uh, the filters are designed to resist clogging and damages, ensuring consistent operations for a long period of time. So Fleetguard has built a reputation for reliability and durability, which makes a brand that you will trust, right? So Fleetguards proved this through rigid testing, long service interval testing in real life situation. Unlike other filter brands, you don't see this kind of statement being made that real world testings is done, but Fleetguard we do ensure that this is uh, done before we release the parts. Okay, so you can see here, in terms of performance side, we are a lot much better in terms of longer service hours if you use the correct product. As you can see, conventional filters may last you 1500 hours, but if you're using a nano net filter or nano force filter, you can extend the service life up to 3 times more, as you can see here. So this is one example here. Okay, question. So I have a quick question. When it comes to evaluating product performance, what do you think is best value, lab testing or field testing? Okay, I pause for a while. Anybody want to answer this question? Okay. The truth is both play a critical role in terms of the benefits. So lab testing gives control repeatable conditions that help engineers to isolate variables. So it also helps great to push the filters, the product into its limits. In terms of efficiency, performance-wise, this is how Fleetguard ensure consistency of the quality of the products. So for field testing, on the hand, this is all about real world testing, whereby it performs differently under different conditions, under extreme condition, under dry conditions, dirty condition, in terms of engine load, etc. So Fleetguard uses this test to confirm that filter will work well in all environmental conditions. Right? Okay. Okay. Now let's talk about how Fleetguard is a trusted brand name here in our product line. We just not offer filters and components. There's an innovation behind this, whereby uh in today's world, many technologies in place. It's all about air and fuel filters, but of course the design of today's standard is very important. All right, let's see how we can cover. Okay, so yes, high performance air filters do make significant difference. As you can see on screen, you can see it helps to increase the engine power and the engine performance of the engine. So basically, it helps to increase by 2.6% on horsepower and 3.7% by in terms of torque. So basically, uh, having high performance air filters will give you a benefit. Okay. So we have one example here. AF55030 versus competitor X, right? So you can see here, Fleetguard captures more dust uh, over time. It's more efficient over time versus competitor. So Fleetguard outperforms competitors filter in terms of filtration efficiency and ensuring long life service interval. Right. Okay. So one quick question here. You can see here, this is the LF 14,000. So basically, you can see here competitors wise, uh, they are good, but they are not the best. So basically, what we can do here, LF 14,000 has advanced media of strata port and nanonet media. It performs uh, uh, it has multiple layer as compared to other brands, which has only single layer. It may not be able to help you to extend longer service interval with the competitor's product, right? So we have higher dust coating capacity. You can see here 100 grams versus 89 grams. Of course, efficiency wise, see that 10 micron, we are even better. We are 72% versus 66%. All right. Right. So in terms of another example here, so we are first fit OEMs. We develop we come in with engine OEMs to develop the best filters. We provide uh and as you can see, we sometimes are completely cellulose paper free. All right, competitor products, they do not meet these standards. Okay, so this is just another example here. So you can see Fleetguard filters can extend up to 13 times more for Cummins engine. For Tier 4 engine, it also up to 14 times longer service interval. So you can see here, this is the example here of using a nanonet product. And this is some examples that you can also consider to add on to your pre-filter or stage zero, we call it. Okay. Okay, question. So how many Fleetguard products do you have working together with your fleet? This is just uh one question. There's no right or wrong. Feel free to jump in. No? Nobody uses Fleetguard filter here? Okay, maybe the today audience is a bit quiet. Let's move on. Okay, so the differences, what is the difference? So today we meet or exceed OEM standards as per we manufacture our own medias to supply across the globe. So we make sure the quality standards are there, and this is how a media filter is being made. Okay, so we have advanced technologies like your cellulose, your nanonet, and your shorter ball, which ensures you the best protection for engines. So warranty wise, do not have to worry about our products are covered in the best warranty in the business. So as long as you use a genuine Fleetguard filter. So whenever the Fleetguard filter is having an issue, during usage or if you encounter any problems, the Fleetguard warranty is there to support you in terms of the warranty coverage. Okay, so if you don't know where to uh, find the warranty portal. This is the warranty portal, and you can actually submit a warranty claim here through the portal. We have now moved on to online submission of the warranty coverage portal. So basically, if you have any issues after your filters in use, you need to log on to this warranty website, submit a warranty claim online. So do not do the manual submission to submit thing through your business managers. All now has to be submit online in terms of warranty claims. All right. Okay, just to recap. So Fleetguard offers you the best in class in the fuel economy, and improve engine performance, upkeep your engine well. So, and of course, we provide comprehensive warranty as well. Right. So Fleetguard products are complied to the highest quality standards. So all Fleetguard products are designed to be tested to meet OEM standard. And lastly, we want to emphasize about warranty coverage again. Our warranty coverage is global, so this is to give you a peace of mind if you use our Fleetguard filters. All right. Okay. That's the end of my session. Any questions? Just on your end, any questions? Any Q&A? Q&A one.
Um, I don't see any questions at the moment. If there is, you can put it in the Q&A box.
Yep. No questions. We'll pause for a couple of minutes before we end this webinar. Okay, if not, no more questions. Thank you for your time today. Um, let me see.
Sorry, Edwin, there's
Yeah,
one
yeah.
question. Is Fleetguard an official filter for Cummins engine?
Good question. Okay, we are the OEM supplier for Fleetguard filters to Cummins engine. So there's no change since we are now Atmos, but Fleetguard filter still goes on first fit with Cummins engine. So basically, all the Cummins engine that the filters are all made by Fleetguard. I hope that answer your question. Okay. Then thank you for your time. We will end this webinar and give you back 10 minutes of your time today. Thank you very much for joining. We'll see you in the next one. Coming soon, we will share the date again. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.